So I switched on my camera and I don't know if I should say hello, welcome back to my channel, or should I straight away begin with saying sorry for not showing up for so long. Okay, I know I haven't put up a video from last 26, 27 days, and honestly I'm in a position where I badly want to do something. I really want to create something, but on the other hand, I am not creating something. I'm not able to do it, and it's a very difficult situation to be in because, on one hand, you're very keen, very eager to go all out and put out something on the channel you created, but I couldn't. So, there are many, many, many reasons behind it. The first very obvious reason is I honestly don't know what to create. I say it out there. I really need your help on that. And the second reason of me not being regular was I was spinning my hopes on a very big project. I applied for it. I thought I'll get through, and it will be a eureka moment for me. I mean, things will streamline in a better way. I thought something good would happen, but it didn't happen. I couldn't get through, and this was a bit disappointing. I lost the confidence of facing the camera. I felt dejected, and it was not a very nice feeling to be in. Yeah. But pata hai kya? The thing which brought me back here is you people. Honestly, I don't care if I get 1,000 views or 100 views on a video. I really love to create. I value each and every person who watches my video because you are giving 2-3 minutes of your life to me to see what I do, to see what I create, and the time you spend on my video is something I value the most. I genuinely enjoy making videos. The people who know me, they know how much I enjoy making videos. I am not a comic actor. I am not a funny person in real life also. But somehow I write a line or two, I think, which is satirical or which is funny, and I just do the whole act. Tell me if you like it, or be open and say it doesn't suit me. I'll try something else, but I don't want to quit. Please help. Okay, so I'll list down a few things which I like. I love to read. I love to act. Beauty videos, no, big no, please. No. Yeah. So I have read quite a few books in this year. Please let me know if you want book reviews or any other recommendations. I read newspapers. Let me know if you want to know how to consume news in a better way. If you want to see sketches, be it serious or comical, let me know. I honestly love to act. I love to act. I would be more than happy to act. Act ho gaya. And what else can I do? I saw you love the video which I did with my dadi. She's so happy to see the views, the comments. Thank you so much. Please let me know if you want to see her again. She would love to come back and do another talk video. Yeah, honestly, sorry for not putting up. Sorry for not showing up on this channel. Every day when I wake up, every day when I go back to sleep, there's one thought in my head that I didn't create any video today. I didn't work on my video. And I feel so into 1000 sad. But again, I know some Twitter trends have been going on. Diljit Dosanjh is trending, Kangna Ranaut is trending. But kabhi mujhe lagta hai, what will happen if I talk about them on my channel? I mean, I hate Twitter trends so much. ऐसा हो गया है कि Twitter has become an epicenter to seek validation for a social issue, जो कि बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए. I don't understand why is it happening. And Twitter wars, I think, are just another form of entertainment. There is no value to it. हमें कुछ सीखने को नहीं मिलेगा. Society will not benefit out of it. If you think एक इशू को इम्पोर्टेंस मिल रही है थ्रू सोशल मीडिया, गुड. आई एम हैप्पी फार्मर्स इशू को हाईलाइट हुआ वहाँ पे. बट अगेन देयर आर हंड्रेड्स ऑफ इशूज आउट देयर विच डोंट गेट एनी recognition, which don't get any support, and I don't think they are any less in their own way. They deserve equal importance, if not more. So why are we making Twitter as an epicenter of validation? Please don't do that. Even though the controversy was hell, lol. Diljit, thumbs up from my side. I really love you. And come now. You have lost a fan. Okay. What else I want to talk about today? Yeah, please reach out to me, mail me, DM me. Please reach out to me in any way and let me know what should I create. Please help. And what else? Yeah, I can also do explanatory video. I don't know if I said it before. I can explain a topic to you if you want. I don't know if you would be interested in it or not, but I would love to do that. It takes a little bit of time and research, but it's okay. I do it anyway for myself and it shouldn't be very difficult. I hope so. Yeah, that's it. I feel 100 times better saying it out loud here because none of my family members and friends knew about the project I just told you about. They also used to ask me that why I'm not putting out a video, and I had no answer. I hope with your suggestions I'll be more regular. I'll honestly be more regular if I know what to do, yaar. And I'll gain back the camera confidence. I'm sure I will, because if this video goes out, if I'm able to edit it and put it out there, trust me, this channel, I'm not quitting at all. Not quitting at all. I want to take it forward, not for the views, but to experiment in general. Like, I don't like seeing myself on the camera, but I don't have many friends in life. I have a very few friends, and I'm not a very talkative person also. So I think I'm talking to a friend here when I speak to you all. So yeah, there I said it. And please, before I end this video, if you like what I do, if you like what I create, if you like me as a person, then please do subscribe to the channel. I'm sorry for not being regular, but I promise I'd show up on my channel. I just need all the support from you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, like, do watch out my other videos. Let me know which format should I work on. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.